Hello, I am Vicky วิมลมาศถวาย Today I'm very happy to take my Filipino friend here at ถ้ำใหญ่ Sub-District ทุ่งสงนครศรีธรรมราช Province
Hello, I'm Jeffrey Montehermoso Tablan, an English teacher from the Philippines. I've been teaching in Thailand for a couple years of now. And today, it's my first time to visit and explore Tamyai Sub-District.
Hello, Jeff. This is our first destination for today. It's called Tamyai Temple.
Wow, very verdant and so refreshing.
Yeah? It is also like a center of Thai Buddhists around this area.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for taking me here.
My pleasure. Would you like to have a look inside?
Sure, I'm very excited.
Yeah.
Wat Tamyai, an old temple that people believe it was built at the same era of the construction of พระบรมธาตุนครศรีธรรมราช The story of the temple has been passed down from generation to generation through word of mouth. People said there were some Indian people coming across the sea aiming to build องค์พระบรมธาตุนครศรีธรรมราช and they stopped here just to rest.But then they heard that the Prabharama That was already built. They then just embedded valuable things in this cave and also built Buddha statue and Yaknunsi to protect treasures. Apart from nice views, here is also a place that established JD which contains พระบรมธาตุ
The next day, Vicky took me to a local fruit farm and told me this place is different from
others.Most of people in Tamyai are a farmer, as their old generations. For example, this mangosteen and durian farm is already more than 200 years.
อร่อยมาก
Look at that.
What is that?
It's a durian tree.
Really?
Yeah. Can you guess how many years?
I guess it's 50 years.
You are really far from that. It's already 200 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the farm here is being conserved 100 years. Good.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'd love to try it.
Of course, you can come and try later in the season. I love durian as well. My favorite fruit.
Me as well.
Tamyai is located in a nice valley surrounded by limestone mountain that made this cave look really beautiful. Especially inside the cave, สำนักสงฆ์ถ้ำพระหอ there are so many caves to visit.
So Jeff, this is the place where the first monk who found this area. Yeah, he used to live here.
To live here
yeah.
before.
Yeah, I was
quite
told.
Big, no?
Yeah, It's a big hole inside. You can feel it's quite windy.
Yeah.
It's good place. You want to try to stay here?
Sure. Get
You sure?
inside.
I better leave you here.
When we entered the cave, we found beautiful stalagmites. The temperature there was quite cold, and there were so many bats living there.
For people who loves challenging outdoor sports, you must come and try climbing at Ban Wang Sai community. It's really great. The thing that I like most is the richness of forest here. It is the origin of river and waterfall that provided water for all local people here. It's such a nice place to relax from a hot temperature. Nothing is better than taking a deep breath in a mountain, closing and feeling the peace of nature. It makes me feel so fresh and happy.
Three days of exploring Tamyai sub-district with Vicky made me feel fabulous. It's unbelievable that this small village is full of many interesting things to see. I went hiking at Tamyai Forest. I saw a huge cave people used as a refuge in World War II. The journey was quite rough, but seeing the abundance of wonderful nature and the stunning beauty of the cave, I can assure you that it was worth it. There are so many beautiful waterfalls here. Rare waterfall. Yung Waterfall and Nan Wangping Waterfall are very popular with tourists, and I was amazed to see them. The experience that I enjoyed most was learning the unique lifestyle of local people here. I also had time to pay homage to Buddha at Rai Temple, an old temple where Tamyai people have worshipped for a very long time. That was my first time to see Buddha's footprint model closely. I can guarantee that Tamyai villagers will warmly welcome you all. And thank you very much for such a great hospitality for me here. Sawadee krap!